In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download purchase invoices from Alibaba. We'll walk through the exact path you can follow from opening your browser to saving a clean PDF invoice for your records. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Alibaba. Type the name into the search bar and hit enter. In the results, click the first listing that leads to the official Alibaba.com site. This ensures you're starting from the correct homepage where all your account and order tools live. Once the site loads, sign into your account. Use the same buyer account you use when placing the order so all your purchase history appears correctly. If you're prompted for verification, complete it to proceed. After logging in, look to the top navigation bar for the Orders area. It may appear as Orders, My Orders, or be represented by an icon near My Alibaba. Click it to open your order list. You should now see a list of your transactions. Choose the order you need the invoice for. If you have many orders, you can scan by order number, supplier name, date, or status. You're looking for the specific purchase that matches the invoice you want to download. Next, open that order's full details by selecting the option labeled View More. This takes you from the summary card into the detailed order page. On this page, you'll find sections for items, payment information, shipping details, and billing. Within these details, look for the download option related to the invoice. It may say download invoice, download VAT invoice, or simply download under a billing or payment section. Click download. Your browser will either save the invoice automatically to your default downloads folder or prompt you to choose a location. The file is typically a PDF, which makes it easy to share or attach to your bookkeeping software. After it's downloaded, consider renaming the file with something clear like the order number and date, and store it in a dedicated folder for your records. If you need invoices for multiple purchases, repeat the same process. Open orders, pick the order, view more, and download. If you don't see a download option, check that the payment for the order is completed, then look again under payment details or billing on the order page. Wording can vary slightly by region. If it still doesn't appear, reach out to the supplier through the order message thread or contact Alibaba customer support for assistance. That's it. You searched for Alibaba, logged in, opened your orders, drilled into the order's details, and downloaded the invoice. Quick, consistent, and audit-friendly.